welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to check out a palette that I bought a little while back and I love it. I've been using it a lot. So this is the Smashbox Sunlite Yellow palette. The outside has that cool little effect they all have. It has these yellows. Actually has one yellow and then the other colors are yellow toned, which, you know, you wouldn't want a whole palette of just yellow. Then we have the green and the navy blue. I thought I would show you how I've been using it. The one thing I wish it had is one red color or pink or something like that. So I am going to use my Ebates palette with it. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites. And so I'm going to do a quick look and then we're going to talk about the palette, what I love about it, what I think could use fixing, or, you know, maybe isn't so great. And then we'll go from there. So I have most of my makeup on, including concealer. I've used this palette a whole bunch. It does not have a lot of fallout in it. This yellow is just gorgeous. I swatched this on another video a while back. It's just beautiful. So those are the top two. And this here, I don't know if you can see it, it's the base shade. It's a very light, buttery yellow. It's perfect for putting under yellow. Cumin Nature, we have this like shiny yellow, sizzle reel, nice brown, cha-ching, something of teal. And then lastly is this almost black, but it's really a navy shade, Defiant one. And it looks black even in the swatch, but it really is more of a navy blue. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is Butterfly, which is that one. And I had never really thought too much about the shade I put under a yellow before, but this shade here is perfect for that. It is super bright, so it brings out the brightness in the yellow, and that's exactly what you need to make a yellow just really pop. As you can see, I've been using this palette, so this yellow is dirty from this yellow right here. I really have been loving the yellow to pink look. I'm gonna use this red right here. I'm gonna go into this yellow matte, that really bright one right there, which is called Bolt. And I'm just gonna blend into this. First, I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue and put that down on my inner corner. Then I'm gonna take Visionary, which is this bright limey green. And I'm just bringing my finger and sort of smudging it into the other color. So now I'm gonna take the teal right there and rim my lower lash line with it. And then grab that yellowy glitter right here, sizzle reel, and go like around it a little bit. I'm gonna take Cha-Ching, which is like this brownie glitter. I'm gonna bring that up into my other shade on that outer corner. I am just going like right there on this outer corner with this shimmer. I don't normally do that, and since that part of my lid isn't hooded, why not? And I'm just sort of using my finger and blending it right there because I want to be super precise with my blending right there. So I'm just blending those two shades together. Somebody left the door open, so if you see a fly buzzing around here, that's why. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Vlada. This has got little rose gold flecks that you really can't see across the internet, unfortunately, but it does have them and they look really pretty. I wanted a little more depth over here, so I'm just using my finger and patting on a little bit of this shade here. I don't know, I just thought that the line there was too harsh with the eyeliner. First, I'm taking my Pacifica Rainbow Drops and just dabbing that on my inner corner, right on the tear duct. My butterflies keep falling off the back of me, off back there. It's driving me nuts. I think that's gonna do it for my eye look. I love this palette. I just think it's super, super pretty. And I love the shades in here. They're so different than every other palette that I've got. And it's just beautiful and I love playing with it. Like I said, the one thing I don't love about it is it doesn't have a red or anything in it. While right now that does make it super different, I do wish it did, just because it would be, I would like that. I already have a ton of red, so it's not a big deal. But I think if you're looking for a totally different palette that's really unique right now, This one is one worth looking at if you don't have these shades and stuff. Obviously, if you do have those shades or something like that, probably isn't worth your money. When I look at all the palettes out right now, I look at it and it just inspires and excites me because it's so different. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!